Hello, what's up? Albert here. Today I'm going to unbox my new light, RGB LED soft ring light MJ20. Let's go ahead and open it. We're not going to waste so much time on this. Whoa, oh my god. So there's like a very tiny light, and I got it for 65 Ghana cedis only. And okay, I have this tiny ring light here as a startup. I just got this, and so I have this here, and I have this thing for holding the camera, and I have this tiny thing here. Let me open it. Okay, this tiny thing for holding the stand, and then the next thing is this holder to hold my phone. So let's go ahead and just set it out. I'm gonna drop this right here. Here we go. And so I have this one has to come here, or like so. Then I get to close it. Okay, this one goes in here like this. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. So this one goes in here for holding the phone. As simple as this. Very simple. Very simple. And this is for the USB. I have a power source here, which you may not see. So I've got it plugged in. The lights are on. Let's try it. Say power. Whoa. Wow. So this button is for increasing the brightness. I think I like it. And there's a mode right here for changing to the warm color, and this is just a white color. Okay, there's a mid-tone. This is very warm. Now let's try the RGB. Whoa. Okay. Red. Okay, this is green, blue, kind of yellow. Yeah. All right, so basically this for my YouTube as a startup. I'm just going to use this for now. Thank you very much for sticking with me to the end of this video, and keep supporting me. Just like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next video.